Imagine a world without a magnetic field, constantly bombarded by solar radiation, its atmosphere stripped away. This stark reality could be Earth's fate if not for a crucial, fiery secret deep beneath our feet, a molten core. But why is Earth's heart still a churning sea of liquid metal billions of years after its formation? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the incredible processes that keep our planet's core scorching hot and critically molten, safeguarding life as we know it. Our story begins with Earth's violent birth. About 4.5 billion years ago, our planet formed from colliding dust, rocks, and gas, a process called accretion. This immense gravitational compression generated tremendous heat, melting much of the early Earth. The bombardment by countless planetesimals, including the massive impact believed to have formed the Moon, added even more energy, keeping the nascent Earth in a fiery, molten state from the very beginning. While the initial heat was immense, it wasn't enough to sustain a molten core for billions of years on its own. The second critical ingredient is radioactive decay. Deep within Earth's mantle and core are unstable isotopes like uranium-238, thorium-232, and potassium-40. As these elements naturally decay, they release massive amounts of thermal energy, acting like tiny, continuous nuclear reactors, constantly replenishing the planet's internal heat supply. Now, with all this heat generated, why doesn't it simply escape? That's where Earth's incredible insulation comes in. Our planet's vast size and the relatively poor thermal conductivity of its rocky mantle act like a giant thermos, trapping heat inside. This slow, gradual heat loss through convection in the mantle ensures the core remains incredibly hot, reaching temperatures comparable to the surface of the Sun, around 6,000 degrees Celsius, keeping its outer layer in a liquid, molten state. The extreme pressure at the very center, however, is so great it forces the innermost core into a solid sphere despite the even higher temperatures. So, Earth has a molten core thanks to a powerful combination: the primordial heat from its violent formation, the continuous energy supplied by radioactive decay, and the planet's natural insulation. This dynamic, superheated core isn't just a fascinating geological feature, it's the engine that drives Earth's protective magnetic field, making our world habitable. If you found this journey into Earth's fiery heart as intriguing as we did, please give this video a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more amazing science.